Thank you.
Aloha! Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. Today we're in the Balaton region in Eastern Europe. Lake Balaton's just over my shoulder here. We're going to have Appies with Chappie by the Lake Balaton edition. First up, I'm going to try this cider I got. It's a Somersby blueberry cider. We'll just give it a quick taste. Very refreshing. It has that real blueberry flavor, not that artificial one. I do like the artificial grape and blueberry flavors though. Yeah, this is very nice, very refreshing. So we're off to the lake for Appies with Chappie by the lake. That's my little dog Mookie in the corner there. She didn't make the trip to Hungary, but she'll be around next episode. So let's go over to the lake and check it out. Alright, we're in Hungary, so I'm going to do some Hungarian Paprikash, but it's Appies with Chappie by Lake Balaton, so we're going to do chicken Paprikash chicken wings. So you can see I got my skillet smoking hot. So we're going to brown the chicken wings, but not only that, the reason we're doing that is to render some of the chicken fat, because that's going to count. We're going to render some of the chicken fat, and that's going to add to our Paprikash sauce. So we'll brown them on both sides, and then in the meantime, I'm going to dice a small yellow onion, and then we're going to remove the chicken wings and cook the onion in the chicken fat. Alright, I didn't mention this, but off camera, I aggressively seasoned the chicken wings. So as you can see, they're not cooked all the way through, but we got lots of fat on the bottom, and they're nice and brown. So we're just going to take them out and add them back in a bit. All right, and see how we got those nice brown bits on the bottom. That's flavor. We're going to add the onion. And then, of course, we're going to aggressively salt the onion as well, just to sweat the liquid out and it'll get nice and brown. You want to cook it at least till it's translucent. We'll probably do it nice and brown. All right, now I'll just put the chicken off to the side while we brown our onion. All right, so our onions are nice and browned in that chicken fat. So we're gonna make sort of a tomato roux. So I got some tomato paste, and you want to put this in early and sort of let it. This is gonna thicken the sauce, but not only that, we're gonna get that tomato paste nice and brown and caramelized. And then we're gonna add a little bit of flour as well. And I'm going to mix that all up. And we're going to give it a couple minutes to let that tomato paste get nice and caramelized. Alright, so we got some nice color on our tomato roux. I'm just going to go ahead and add some dehydrated garlic. Fresh garlic would probably work better. And then I have 2 whole ripe diced tomatoes. Okay, what's the, oh, of course, the seasoning. So we'll go a little bit of cayenne pepper. You can do that to taste depending on how hot you like it. And this, I got some paprika. It says very hot. I got it in a gift shop in Budapest. It was on Vasi Street, which is the biggest tourist area in Budapest. So I actually paid £9 for this hot paprika. That's only like 100 grams. Why I didn't just go to, I'm in Hungary, why I didn't just go to a Hungarian grocery store. I figure I probably paid 10 times what I should have for this 100 grams of paprika. But, so yeah, not £9, €9 it cost me. Which is probably about 4,000 Hungarian florins, which you could have a steak dinner for. Anyways, gonna add that precious hot Hungarian paprika, and then I also have some sweet paprika. Now, smoked paprika would go well too. I don't have any. And okay, let's add the chicken back to the party. And make sure you get all the juice from the chicken back in. Just mix it up a little bit. Okay, I think we'll put a little bit of salt and pepper in to taste. Actually got a little bit of white pepper. And I feel like I'm forgetting something. Might have to go in later and edit it. But right now we're just gonna add, I have some chicken stock. Okay, we're gonna cover that and let it simmer probably a good 2 hours. And then I'm gonna add some sour cream to the gravy. Yeah, I'll probably come in and give it the chicken a little flip or a little baste, depending on how much liquid I got in there. But we'll give that a cover up, and yeah, we'll let that go for a couple hours. We'll check on it periodically. Just gonna do a little basting. I was gonna add a little bit of flour to the sour cream when I added it, just to thicken it, but it's pretty thick. Got it running a little bit high. Gonna take that down to a lower simmer, I think. Alright, well, give it a little bit more and then I'm going to add the sour cream. Alright, we're going to add a nice dollop of full fat Hungarian sour cream. Apparently, if you don't add the full fat, your gravy is going to break up on you. So, and that'll be no bueno. That just looks fantastic. Alright, we'll call that Appy's with Chappy by the Lake, Lake Balaton edition.